we made a command yesterday that says how much money is available in our account. Currently almost basically nothing because I've moved everything into another account, but I can move that back. I'm actually going to do that right now, so that we have some money to play with. That might be useful. So it takes a couple of minutes. So I'm literally doing that now. I should have actually done it off stream, but alas, Lavat says it could take up to 3 days. I don't want it to take up to 3 days. I want to be able to do it now. That's fine. It's fine. We'll send all our money over so that Twitch chat can do the trades. But it usually takes a couple of minutes, so we'll be fine. I'm just sending it all out. Got to like authenticate everything on my phone, which is a pain, but it's okay. It's necessary. It's necessary to prevent people from stealing all my moolah. So we're good. Right, and that means we're good to start. So at the moment we have this case available. I want to make a case for buying and selling. We're going to make a case buy, which will return, I don't know, console log to do buy BTC or ETH with USDC. That's what we're going to do. And we'll have another one for sell, which I'll put down there because we're doing this alphabetically because easier to read when it's alphabetical. So it doesn't have to be quote remind. My bad. So we're doing console.log and we'll make a to-do over here to say sell BTC or ETH for USDC. Okay, cool. That is fantastic. So next up, what are we going to do? So we have our to-dos here. So now we need to add this to the Luno API. This available command. We can still call it available command. We do. Oh, it's just a command. It's not actually the... Oh, so that Luno bot runs. It starts immediately and it starts monitoring trades. Oh, we don't actually want that to happen right away. So I'm going to restart the bot. Because that was just part of our work from yesterday. So what I actually want to happen... Oh, I can see my... no longer earning interest and stuff. So now if I do available, we have a little bit more. You can see the Ethereum's in some Bitcoin. There's not much Bitcoin, although 0.0006 Bitcoin is still a couple of dollars. And then $9 in USDC. I think that's good. We can see the amounts pretty clearly, which is good. Oh, the USDC. Yeah, I just got the notification for that. But looks like we're good there. So theoretically, the balance command should be from here. So I think we'd like to move that available balance to here. Yeah, that would probably be ideal, because then we can call it from this API. So I'm going to take that over there, put it down here, move this down, and do we use the asset precision here? I'm just trying to think what's the nicest way to do that. As soon as I start switching out like this, I confuse myself, which is not ideal. I'm just like, do I want to do this now? Theoretically, let's not do that yet, because right now I've got this monitor trades command, which I don't need. Fetching trades is part of the monitor trades. Ghoul, you're here. Welcome, dude. How's it going? Sorry you can't do your amazing entrance like usual. But yeah, dude, thanks for being here. So we had this thing set up to monitor trades from yesterday. And today, I want to make a function that, actually it's going to be a public function. It's going to be buy. It'll be a void. And then we'll also have a sell. which will also be a void. I guess it's theoretically going to be a promise. Because there's some asynchronous stuff that's got to go down here. So we'll say async buy and async sell, because we're going to do some API calls. So there's going to be some waiting in between the function. So that's the plan. Console.log to do handle buy, and we will copy paste that and do it for the sell as well. So we're structuring this so that I get less confused. That means over here we can say Luno API dot buy, no, not start, buy. 21 slowly getting to that. Yes, we're getting there. It's great. Pretty amped with that. And we have a sell command here as well. Sell. And we want to put in the parameters. This is going to be params at 0 and params at 0. Because what we want for this this buy sell command, probably going to want to make it followers only, actually, now that I think of it. But we'll do that later. That way I can try and get more followers. We'll add a point system later maybe as well, and just say like this person has so many points left to buy and so on. Like, you know, you get points by chilling and hanging. Yeah, that would be a good idea. But right now we just want to get this to work. Okay, so currently it's gonna freak out a bit. Did I completely ditch my script? Nope, it's still there. Just put it down there. Okay, cool. So this buy sell is going to have a parameter, which will be the asset that we're going to buy, which will be a string. And we'll have another asset over here, string. And that asset will either be BTC, which will be a console.log handle BTC buy. And then we'll have like an else if ETH, and be like a handle ETH buy. Yep. I don't even think we'll have else if. We don't do else ifs. We're just gonna do if and if, and that would be a console.log. And then afterwards we ignore. So that's good. We're like really structuring this out to try and do it together. It's just gonna finish together basically. Okay, cool. So we have that. Oh, we have to say asset equals BTC. Oops. I'm gonna say to uppercase. Make sure that it's tested. Asset.to uppercase. Done. Fantastic. I am just gonna copy paste that so that we can use it down here. I think this is the point where we need to start moving over to whatever's gonna happen like inside. So this monitor trade thing performs like a counter trade based off of what's just been done. So theoretically, we need to, like, upon success of this thing, it's quite confusing actually, I haven't done this before. What I want to do is it should buy BTC at current price for minimum amount of USDC, which is it would be a market order, and the market order needs to be 0.0005. I think, was it 0.5? I need to check my phone quickly. I am checking my phone for the answer here. BTC to USDC. If I was to buy some, if I did a market order, do I have to say the amount of USDC? Can I just buy? Must be larger than Okay. So we have to basically say, oh, I've got to do some math here. I think that's the equivalent of 30. We have to say like pretty much, maybe we just go for the current limit order. A market order needs to be the price of the current level of Bitcoin that it's currently selling for. So times, wait, sorry, I'm doing some wacky math here. So it is 3 noughts and a 5. Okay, so that's the minimum amount. So we want to actually go for that minimum amount. So we will get Bitcoin at its current at current asking price for that BTC. So to work out that amount of BTC, we need to basically do a post order. Okay, so we've done a post order before. We've done it down here. We did this yesterday. So we were able to make a post order, and I have a post order already. The stop post order. Oh, we do have a post order. So we just have to work out the price, the pair, and the type. Okay, so buying is bidding basically. So we would want to say bid, and the pair would be XBT USDC. So we want to buy Bitcoin using our US dollar thing, and the price and the volume. So price is going to be what the current asking price is. So we have to fetch current asking price, which is a thing, and we also want to fetch the the volume. The volume we know. The volume will be the minimum amount. So the volume will be 0.005. 3 noughts and a 5. Okay. And let's just say const price equals what's the current price of Bitcoin? 56,500. Point. Let's just say see if that works. If we're able to just straight up do this like right now. Can I buy Bitcoin? So if we restart the bot and we say buy and we say BTC, will this work? Yeah, something went wrong. Bad request. What's wrong with my request? The volume is correct, price is correct, bid is correct, type XBT to USDC. Why can't I do that is the question. Do I not have enough? Can we not say oh, the amount of USDC? Oh, it can be. What the flip? So if I limit the price to 56,500.00, and I say the amount of US dollars. Oh, the volume is going to be the amount of US dollars. That's why it's a bad request. Okay, so this volume actually does need to be const volume so the asking price, we're good there, but the volume that we're going to need to do, because we are posting a limit order, right? We're doing a post order, yeah. I think that's the case. Yeah, by setting the price, we're posting a limit order. So the volume needs to be the number of the price divided by times 0.0005, because that's the minimum. Let's just say minimum BTC. Is there a spread? Yep. So over here we'll have another const minimum BTC trade volume, and that's going to be 0.0005. I guess we'll just say min BTC value volume. That's it. Where is it now? We'll stick that as the constant there. Okay, and now we want to do the whole rounded up kind of thing. So we're going to say, where's our round method? Round, this is for volume, right? So we're going to round units to pair. Round units. Is it price to pair? Yeah, units is the amount, not the price. Okay, round units to pair. And okay, so first we have the number. Second, we have the we're gonna round it up. I don't think we have anything else, right? The precision's always 4, so we're good regardless of whether it's Ethereum or this. Okay, price and volume. Yes, and we'll say .toString. Okay, there we go. Volume is sorted. Right. Okay, so next up, let's restart the bot, see if this works. Okay, now I'm gonna say buy BTC. It didn't work again. Bad request. Okay, the volume is 28. Because the price of Bitcoin went, no. The volume is 28.25. Oh, I don't have enough USDC. Okay. That's the problem. So theoretically we're okay. We just need to also check how much available balance we have to do the trade. Because if we don't, then we're slightly stuffed. So I need 28 US dollars for that. So let's sell some Bitcoin. To test this. We'll sell some BTC. It's fine. Sell the max amount. And now I'm gonna buy. I shouldn't have to restart the bot, it should just work. And I'll buy. Okay, new problem indeed. Bad request. What's wrong with this request? Because I should have USDC now. I have 42 USDC. Doesn't work. Not working, guys. We failed. We failed the city. Because the price is correct and the volume is correct. Let's just see if we set price to just that. Because maybe that's the problem with the request. But the volume seems right, because the volume is meant to be, unless the volume is the amount of BTC that we want to buy. I guess that makes sense. Not USDC. I'm just thinking, because we have BTC to ZAR. Oh yeah, this is BTC to USD. So the volume. Okay, I can't buy 28 Bitcoin. Makes sense. Okay, so the volume shouldn't be that. The volume should actually be the volume should just be 0.05 then. Minimum Bitcoin volume. Because that would be the BTC volume, and we'll say .toString. Let's see if I can reset the bot now. Try that out. Then we'll probably be sorted. Trading bot is now online. So let's try buy BTC. Status was okay. So did I just buy Bitcoin? Did that work? Is there an order to oh wow, the price of Bitcoin went up in the process of this all. So yeah, my order worked. The order was created. It just yeah, didn't work. Didn't quite. So can I make a, if I go look at the Luno docs, view the API documentation. I kind of want to make it a market order then. So how do I do a market order? Post market order. Pair required. Buy or sell. Oh, so the type is going to be okay. We're probably going to want to have to copy paste this post order and make one for market order. Okay, and we'll have a buy or sell. Buy or sell. That makes sense. To buy an asset, first of all, for the fetch trades, I do want to console.log that response. New trades, and we'll have a trades value in there. Okay, that's cool. So this market order, we're gonna have a counter volume. Just thinking. So we'll have a counter volume and the base volume. How much euro to use? Okay. So the amount. Okay, so we do need that volume. Counter volume and base volume. Oh, no, we just need base volume. We just need base volume. So we'll say the volume. Because we want to say that we want to buy how much Bitcoin to buy or sell. Oh, it's so much easier actually. This is great. So we have a market order. We just say market order. Like that. We have pair, we have type, and then we have this thing called counter volume. No, base volume, base volume. So there's no price. We don't need a price. We just say base volume. No price. Oh, this is so much easier. That actually saves me a lot of, it saves me like from doing multiple API calls and everything, because yeah, we can just do that, which is really cool. Don't need the price value there. This is fantastic. Yeah. So theoretically I can just say this and then ditch the price. And we are good to go. Oh, and this must be buy. We don't need a price here. Oh, we don't need the current asking price. This is it, really. Wow, that is pretty crazy. Then I think we're gonna say the new trade captured thing. We're monitoring trades. Oh, so my monitor trades can still work as is because we'll monitor trades that happen immediately. Like, oh, this is fantastic. So we do want to monitor trades because then we can just respond to the trade like that. Holy crap, this is amazing. Oh my word. Okay. So if we restart the bot now, oh, we bought up Bitcoin again. I mean, heck, like, oh, the new trades. Yeah, that shouldn't be checking every. I mean, it does. It is supposed to check every 10 seconds. But it should be happening. You know, let's go look where the new trades fetches are. We'll do it here. Console log there. Oh, and we'll print it if trades are bigger than .length is bigger than 0, then we'll console log it. There we go. Maybe space that out a bit, just so that we're not constantly printing stuff to the console when it doesn't matter. It's just for us to figure things out. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna buy BTC. I will have to do a check to see if we have enough to check our available balance. And we'll probably have to check our available balance every like 5 minutes or so just to keep it updated. So we'll check our available balance. How often will we check our available balance? Like what, every 10 seconds, same time we check for trades? So we'll check our available balance. Because I think the problem here now is that we didn't have enough yeah, the bad request. I think it's a bad request because we might not have enough. So the question is, how much USDC do we have? Yeah, we don't have enough USDC for that. So theoretically, I should be able to sell my BTC. Oh, I can't sell yet. I haven't built the trade. So let's just make this work with buying and selling. So sell. What is I going to do here? Move this down. We haven't handled sell yet, but basically a sell would work almost exactly the same. It would literally work exactly the same. And we'll just say, we'll take the comments out. And we'll await and we'll say sell. Oops. Should just work theoretically. Let's restart the bot. Because we have enough BTC to sell now, I think. Yeah, we have 0.5 now. And, well, let's just check our availability. Available. So we have that. So now we should be able to sell BTC. It was okay. And it worked. It sold it. And then we triggered, we got new trades occurred, sold it. And then it created a new buy order. Buy. Sorry, I just gotta check my BTC USD. Okay, cool. So it's successfully put in a trade to buy back at 56,188.41. So theoretically, we can see the current trades or the current open orders. We should build an API that checks for that. But yeah, so now that's actually running. The bot's running. It automatically sold there. So we actually have the bot working where it just monitors the trades the whole time. I think what we need to do now, well, first of all, we should go build this for Ethereum. I think the minimum buying and selling for Ethereum is 0.01. Let me just check, because then we can do some Ethereum testing here. Let me see. What can I do? Ethereum to USD ETH. Because then we need to do some calculations after that to just see what the heck is going on here. This is actually pretty epic. So I want to buy stuff. It says I need, must be larger than 2 USDC. 2.1. Yes, 2.01. So 0.01 ETH. I'm buying it on my phone. Okay, it's freaking out for some reason. Oh, I did it. I bought it. So trade should pop up there. There we go. 0.01. So that's the minimum amount of ETH we can buy. So let's note that down. What are we doing? Min ETH volume. Const min ETH volume. Pretty sick actually. 0.01. There we go. So that was me buying on my phone and it automatically counts traded. So it says we bought that at that price. Pretty cool. Amazing. And I think our open orders will be, what are our open orders? So many API calls we have to call. This is insane, but it's working. It's somehow working, which is really cool. So theoretically, I need to refresh my phone so that I can see the orders here. Yeah, we're going to buy ETH back at 2021.62. I definitely need to make an orders, like an orders thing. Yeah, like a list of orders, just a straight up list of orders. I think the best way to do that though. I think we'll have to do like a list of orders for BTC and a list of orders for Ethereum, USDC. That way we can track things a little bit better. It's pretty cool. Right. So let's just hook the bot up so that we know that it's working. Okay, we don't need the monitor trade thing. The fetch trades. What am I looking for? The sell. Oh, we need it for the option of Ethereum. So theoretically, we can just do instead of XBT, we say ETH to USDC. And over here, we also just do the general thing. I guess we can return at the end of the statement just in case we decide to log anything later. And then I want to make some channel things for problems, like if there's not enough, and just warnings to say we failed to make the trade or something like that, you know. Okay. So I just wanted to see now, because we're probably going to want to look at our available balances all the time to check that. I guess we could make a whole visual app. That'd be amazing to actually show what's going on like visually instead of just using chat. But chat will be the way to trigger it, but we'll get there. Oh, I need to change this to be for ETH, and we need to say the min ETH volume, not value. And up there we also have to say min ETH volume. Fantastic. Okay, so theoretically I can restart the bot. So we should be trying to buy and sell like Ethereum. So if I said buy ETH, oh, something went wrong. I think we tried to, I think we're out of money, that's why. I think we ran out of money, guys. No, we haven't run out of money. Maybe, I don't know, let's check the available balance. We must have a thing saying so much USD required for BTC and so much USD required for Ethereum. Yeah, we still have 12 available there. And available Ethereum, we should be able to sell ETH. That worked. So we should see a thing that says new trade occurred. There we go. So why can't we buy ETH? You're slowly streaming more and more science and less on Tipsy. So what are your plans for the future with both accounts? I almost streamed more on Tipsy last night. I took like a 15-minute break and I was going to stream with Hardy.King. And then, yeah, we got busy. So yeah, tomorrow night I'm not going to stream at all because I'm going out. But I definitely want to stream more Tipsy Pineapple stuff. We're doing, I think we're doing another D&D session on Saturday night. So we'll probably be doing a Tipsy Pineapple stream then. So that would be pretty cool. After I finish the chatbot, I don't think I'll even ever finish the chatbot. You'll be there. Awesome, dude. Yeah, I guess random shout out to myself. That guy. My shout out bot should work. There we go. Shout out to my own bot. I haven't streamed on there in a while, but I plan to stream on there more. But I want to make this stream a regular occurrence. Just wondering why the buy is not working. I think if it's buy, I need to say counter volume, right? I don't know. That's the thing. So yeah, that's pretty much where we're at. So if I look at my available balance now, we have 12 that's 12 of that. Okay, that's not enough to buy Bitcoin. Buy, sell more Ethereum. So I can sell ETH, but I can't buy ETH, and I don't have enough money to buy a Bitcoin. So I might need to just do a straight up trade. Sell a bunch, and then cancel the order. I must cancel my existing USDC orders actually for the Bitcoin side. Maybe do that. Yeah, there's an open order to buy Bitcoin here. We cancel the open order. Just wasting all my money, really. Let's see if I'm able to buy BTC. Not but buy. Okay, it looks like it failed. Yeah. So we have a bad request whenever we try to buy BTC, but selling BTC, I think, works. If I had enough to sell. Do I have enough to sell? See, this is where we have problems. We need to figure this stuff out. To sell BTC, I would need more. I don't have enough BTC to sell. That's the bad request thing. So we need to figure out now how to check for the actual prices. But we have made progress, which is good. Let me just... So right now, theoretically, you can just sell Ethereum because the buying is not working. And then BTC, we can't buy or sell it because we don't have enough money. So we need to fix the buy function for ETH because we do have enough money to buy, but it's not working. I'm just gonna check mark the process that we have so far. Git commit checkpoint on buy and sell commands, and I badly need to pee, so I will be right back. See you guys in a second. And I'm back. Okay, cool. So one of the things I was going to say, my plans after I finish the chatbot, I think I'm probably going to do some React.js development to build like a user interface to give a clearer picture of what's happening with the account. So you say like, hey, here's the bot account and there's so much orders like going and stuff, and try like, yeah, almost make like build a whole platform around this concept of making like a Twitch trading bot so that it's easy for people to like have a bigger picture without just relying on chat to view things. Like the chat should almost be like a way to trigger commands to happen, but not actually like for viewing stuff. To view data on the chat is a bit of a mission. But if we had it set up so that we could, you know, view the data on, let's say like, yeah, I mean, on a website, that would be really cool. That would be amazing. You know, have like some notification service and all that stuff set up. But we'll see. We'll see how that goes. It might not be very viable. I don't know. Right. So next up, okay, I want to fix this buying thing. I have a feeling that the reason the buying is not working is you have base volume and counter volume. A buy order. Okay. So I just want to see, I'm going to just straight up test without even knowing what I'm doing. Is in this market order, I can say if the type is, I think this volume could be counter versus, we can say type equals buy. If it's sell, we say base volume. If it's buy, we say counter volume. Will that work? I don't actually know, to be honest. But we can see yarn start to make sure the bot's doing its thing. Because theoretically, we should be able to, based on how much US dollars we have, we should be able to buy some Ethereum. Because I think we only need like $2 to buy Ethereum. So, yeah. Let's say buy ETH. Nope. It's still broken. Bad request. Do you have to set the counter volume to be more? I mean, I'm sure it's the base volume in the pair. So you have base divided by counter. So it should always be base volume. So that's not it. I guess I just have to look more into this request and figure out what's wrong with it when it's a buy. Gotta really think here. I'll read the API documentation now and just see. Is it maybe that I can only sell small amounts of Ethereum and buy larger amounts? Maybe that's the case. Just rerunning the bot again. I'll run this when the thing comes up. Trading bot is now online. I think it's online. Yeah, it is online. So we have that. Type is buy. Okay, let's go look at the documentation again. So yeah, pair is required, which we know pair works. The type is buy or sell. Buy is to buy an asset, so I want to buy Ethereum. That's definitely a thing. Counter volume, for example, for a buy order, amount of the counter currency to use, how much euro to use to buy Bitcoin. Oh, but we're saying base volume though. Yeah. For example, for a sell order, the amount of the currency. Okay. Okay. Guys. So the way it's meant to work is you have a counter volume when it's a buy order. Okay. Oh, that sucks. So to sell, it's easy. You sell, yeah. The volume to sell is pretty easy. If this is sell, so we were on the right track when we did this, but we basically say type if it's buy, but then the actual amount has to change as well. So if it's a sell, we use base volume. If it's a buy, we use counter volume, which means we need to do some calculations up here. On buy, we need to calculate number of we have to calculate the number of USDC required to buy min BTC volume for volume. And the same problem is going to be for the Ethereum. Min ETH volume. So that's a to-do item. So we still have to work on the buy. And I think the best way for us to do this is to actually constantly check what the current price is for different pairs. So we'll have to get the USDC price and the so we're gonna have a thing here called private will it be BTC to USDC? Private price BTC. Okay, now we're gonna have prices. Prices. And that's gonna be an empty object for now. And we're gonna have a BTC USDC. And we'll have an ETH USDC. So any ones we care about for right now. And they'll be undefined at the start. Oh, right. So now we have to do a thing where we're going to constantly start monitor prices. And the prices, oh, this could be quite a chunk of data that's going on, but it's fine. We have a supercomputer, so we're good. So just like we have the monitor trades here, we're going to have private async monitor prices. Okay. Yeah, this opens the door for a lot to go wrong. But it's okay. So monitor prices, we don't have to do any, we have to have a since value, which will be a number, which will equal, no, we don't have to have a since, we just fetch it as is. I don't know why I'm saying that. We don't have to do the channel is not actually going to say anything, we're just going to use this to keep getting the latest prices. So it will be similar to this, where we fetch prices. Do we just do a thing where we get all the tickers? I think we can do that, actually. Let's look up tickers. List tickers for all currency pairs. API tickers. Okay, cool. We'll probably have another API call where we get the tickers. Fetch tickers. Private async. We'll fetch tickers. Fantastic. Will just be a promise to set to return a ticker. Yeah, we're gonna need a ticker array. eventually I think what we'll do now is like to get the specific one. We'll stop using the command and we'll go use the API to just get it directly, you know. So we have this whole class that like holds the information together, and we can use that to like keep up to date and all that stuff. We're good there. Yeah, eventually we're going to do some pretty wacky stuff. It's going to be great, but I don't think we're going to get very far in this video because I want to raid Shanks when he goes live. So that's the thing. At least that's the plan, you know. Hit old Shanksy boy with the raid. Okay, private async fetch tickers. So let's make this ticker interface, because that's a useful thing. Interface ticker, and then we'll have ask, which is a string, a bid, which is a string, last trade, it's gonna be a string, pair as a string, rolling 24-hour volume. Doesn't really matter too much to me right now. That becomes useful, I guess, somewhere. Status, just always active, annoyingly, so I don't know why they send that to me. Timestamp, which is a string, which doesn't really matter, but that's a ticker. So we pretty much just need the ask for that, but yeah. Yeah, I guess we would need both. Okay, doesn't matter. What was I gonna say? What was I going to say? I don't even know, dude. So fetching tickers will be pretty much try. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Try catch. The usual catch. If it's a failure, we say some error. Say failed to, but like we'll just say failed to fetch tickers, and then show the error message like that. Oh, freaking beautiful. Okay, cool. And we say const res equals await, and we'll say fetch, and we will say, oh, we don't even have to put any parameters. It's great. HTTPS api.luno.com, and we'll say slash API/1/tickers. And then next up, we have our options, which is pretty much going to be headers, authorization, we already have, and then a method. This is going to be get. I'm not going to mess that up again. Flip. Remember last time I messed that up, guys? Damn, that sucked. We'll say if response is not okay, we'll throw pretty much the same error, just without the message. And then otherwise, we will say const, and we're going to get tickers from the response equals await res.json, and we will return tickers, which will be as ticker array. Fantastic. We have our fetch tickers, and to monitor prices, it's pretty much going to be just like we monitored the trades. We just say this dot fetch tickers. We'll make it await. Make this a promise to void. So we wait for it to fetch tickers, and then we will set a timeout, except the timeout for this will not be every 5 minutes. It will literally be every second. We don't need latest timestamps. We literally just go say monitor prices. It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. How exciting. How absolutely exciting. I have a question. What server do you use to start the bot? I use so the way that works, so I see your question, is I have this on message handler. I just use my computer. My computer is the server. So when I it's literally the bot's not like, how do I explain it? Yeah, it's basically it's on my computer, but then Twitch has an on message handler, and I have a once my bot connects to the client, then I start the bot. I start this Luno API class, which is just a start function in the class. What local server? Oh, the name of it. Well, this is NodeJS, so it's just straight up yeah, NodeJS. There's no not much to it really. It's just JavaScript. We're literally just running JavaScript the whole time, so there's no nothing too special. Yeah, cool, got it. It was a specific server. Nah, it's literally I built my own. And yeah, no, just straight up using the console, and yeah, it's running off Node.js. So with JavaScript, it doesn't get much simpler than that really. But yeah, it's Node.js. Yeah, and just built this class as a start function, and upon it starting, upon the whole bot starting, the code runs, the class is initialized, and then the start function runs once the bot has successfully connected to Twitch. So yeah, it's a pleasure. It's getting pretty big, the function here, but it's fine. We'll just have like a giant scary class here. It's all good. Not too phased by that. Okay, so where was I? Got distracted. That was a welcome distraction. Okay, we're monitoring the prices now. So we actually have the prices are constantly up to date. Oh, we don't actually do anything when we get the results. That's a problem. So theoretically we should have const tickers equal await. And then I guess const tickers dot for each. And we'll have a ticker. I guess we can get the values inside the ticker. We'll get the pair. We want to do some stuff. Not const. Why am I saying const? It's just tickers dot for each. And we'll say if pair. We'll have a switch case for pairs. And a default we just sort of return and do nothing. My channel started growing. I need a bot because the mana thing gets up to 20 per stream. So the time it takes after the stream to put it in is starting to be too much. Hectic, dude. Yeah. So I'm literally working with Node.js right now, and I want to make one myself, and I'm asking the pro for advice. What a freaking legend. I should read your messages in order. That would help. Yeah, dude. So pretty much, I mean, you've seen my you've got access to my Git repo, but it's pretty much just the code runs itself on Node. So the way I run it now is it's not a cloud bot. You can do sort of weird cloud stuff. And yeah, you're probably using my my Node.js template project. So yeah, it just literally when I run yarn start over here, the server's running. So it's doing it. Wow, it's a lot of stuff here. Yeah, that's the thing. The case is XBT USDC. If I want to run this on a web server, I could, right? Yes, you could. you could straight up run it on like, yeah, you can do that. I just don't have much experience with doing that, so I have not done that. But yeah, you definitely can. I have a domain, I'll put it there. Oh, okay, sweet, dude, that's great. Fantastic. When you do, let me know how you did it, because I want to start doing stuff like that. I might get to the point where I want this bot to continuously run even off stream and stuff like that, you know. I'd like to maybe consider doing that. Do some sort of cloud thing. Although, yeah, I don't know. I'll figure it out. We will figure it out. Yay. Okay, so theoretically, I should just be able to say this dot prices equals this dot prices, and then the BTC USDC is going to be, oh, the whole ticker, I guess. I will have to say ticker, and I'll say ticker dot pair. Ticker, like that. What's wrong with this? Oh, there's no that's right, it's theoretically correct. I just need to do a little bit more. Also, this needs to be so we need to add types for that. We'll have an interface for types for prices. Will we? Yeah, we'll stick it up here. Feels a bit dirty. I should probably move my interfaces out, but yeah, interface prices is gonna be pair, which will be a string, which can potentially be undefined. That okay? And then ticker. Oh, but I need prices to be under ticker. Yeah, sorted. Okay, cool. So prices over here will be prices. Oh yeah, cool. We just don't even need to predefine set it as undefined. Okay, cool. So theoretically I can do that now. Where's my prices command? The stop prices. There we go. Okay, that's working. Which is fantastic. Pretty happy about that. And yeah. What was I gonna say? I don't even know, guys. I don't even know. I wanted to make a Discord command, you know, like this, but I haven't done that yet. I'll do that sometime soon. Anyways, so we fetch the tickers, so we actually have the tickers for different things. So we'll have prices. I just call it, I guess, tickers. I guess I could theoretically, I don't know. Prices is probably good. We're good to name it prices. Wait, a trade just happened. I just sold. But if the bot's working, oh, it's gonna go into a continuous loop of buying and selling, like for profit, but yeah. Oh, but that was 10 minutes ago. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make some tweaks to the bot to make it only monitor trades since like a certain time and not monitor continuously, so it only reacts to the user buying and selling. That's cool. So yeah, I've got to look into that because could be a problem. Anyways, I'm gonna have to go soon. Let me just look into this quickly. Shouldn't be a massive problem. Sorry, yeah, my fellow devs are asking me questions, so I'm answering them. Okay, so I was just like, in my mind, I'm going like, we can't just do the monitor trades thing the whole time, but that's not our problem right now. Our problem right now is to get buying and selling to work. So we're able to get the latest prices now. Like, we're monitoring the prices all the time. This thing is going to fall away eventually because we're going to want to run this, like, we're going to say, okay, stop monitoring the trades from this point and then stop monitoring it after a point, you know. Big Boss is here. Big Boss, how's it going, dude? I'm going pretty good. Yeah. Should be chilled. Right. Anyways. Yeah, dude, Big Boss, it's so good to see you. How's it going, man? I've got to, oh, Big Boss, look what we can do now. I can sell my Ethereum. Just like when I write sell Ethereum, it's gonna do a bot thing and it says new trades occurred, 1 Ethereum sold at so much. So that's pretty cool that works. I'm theoretically going to move away from the whole monitoring trades thing and move it to just, you know, monitor a specific trade that happens and then retrade higher or lower. But that we will definitely do in another stream, because right now I am, there's too much for me to think about trying to figure that out. So it's quite cool. We're working on making the buy work now. Which is going to be a bit more work. I'm a wizard. I'm trying to be a wizard. So that's quite cool. There's so much to do now. Like, we've opened the world to possibilities. So first of all, we want to get the const USDC, the stop prices dot ETH to USDC. And we'll say price ask, wait, what are we gonna say? There's gonna be a dot. Yeah, we're gonna get the asking price, the current asking price. Okay, we'll say ask equals that, because this is potentially undefined. So this is going to be a string that could be undefined. And we'll say if ask, if no ask, then we're just going to return. We're going to say console.log no current asking price, can't fulfill buy order. So cannot fulfill, I don't know how to spell buy order. We'll say ETH buy order. Yeah, fantastic. No current ETH asking price, which there always will be, but like we have to fetch it the first time. So if we fail to fetch it the first time, then we're a bit stuffed. Okay. And then we will say, then we need to calculate this, calculate number of USD required to buy minimum ETH volume. So to do that, we have to say the const volume is going to equal what we're rounding units to pair. Should be, we're rounding it up, and the amount is going to be the number of the asking price times the min ETH volume. So that way we will get the actual number of units that we need to use for the volume in here. Volume. Holy flip. I actually feel like an actual wizard. I will make this .toString so that that's satisfied. Oh, okay, sorry. This might seem like really crazy, weird stuff, but I think we've done it. I think we might have just done it. We might have been able to buy Ethereum now. Because we can sell it. We just buy ETH. No current ETH asking price, cannot fulfill ETH buy order. Why is this happening? ETH USDC, that's correct. Wait a second. ETH USDC. So we do monitor the prices, right? Okay, let's console.log and see what the tickers are. Console.log tickers. What is this bull? I want to see why I can't buy my Ethereum. I knew something might go wrong somewhere. And here it is. It's going wrong right here. Okay, so we have XBT ZAR. Oh, shit. Okay, let's just run. I know Shanks is streaming at the moment. I want to go raid him soon. I just want to fix this bug and then we can celebrate and raid Shanks. Damn it, Shanks, why you gotta start early? Okay. Okay, there should be an ETH to USDC. There it is. ETH to USDC. So there is a ETH to USDC. So I don't understand. Now my whole computer's crashing. Yeah, we set the price. Oh, that's the problem. Figured it out, guys. I didn't even need all of your help. Ah, freaking fantastic. Okay. So now, if we get ETH buying to work, then we are golden. So buy ETH. It worked. We just bought Ethereum. Oh, we're actual wizards. This is amazing. It actually worked. I can't believe it. I literally cannot believe it. Wow. That's mind-blowing. It's actually mind-blowing. I'm gonna move my head down to like this corner over here. That's huge. Wow. Guys, we did it. I'm so happy. Shout out to Ghoul for asking me questions that had nothing to do with all of that. They were last streaming What a Legend. It didn't work, guys. My bot's broken. It didn't work. My shout out command's broken. Let me try something quickly. If I just say Ghoul Software without the A. Okay, I'm gonna fix that bug quickly. Game name, channels. Okay, where's the @ command here? Get checkout text. Okay. So we gotta do the same thing. Where we say the channel string at this. Oh, wait. You have to say channels at 0, and then let's get game text. We'll say channel. And where's the channel? In here, we're gonna say that. There we go. There we go. Fixed it. Which one of these files is missing? There we go. I've fixed a bug, and I'm gonna rub it in your face. Let's just check if the normal Ghoul software works. If we do that, that works. And now if we do this, it should also work. Watch this. But it doesn't work. It's broken. Let's say whatever is returned in here. Wait. I'm gonna fix this. I think we have to make e.2 lowercase. Gonna happen. Oh, right. That's it. That's it right there. Not this that needs to be .2 lowercase. We're gonna say channel text. Const channel name equals that, and then we'll say channel name in here, and then we'll say channel name over there. Now we're doing it. Fixing my shoutout command to work with the @ sign. It's gonna happen. Shouting out Ghoul for the millionth time. Yes, it worked. Okay, cool. So problem solved there. Guys, it's been a great honor. Oops. Fix shoutout command. And progress, all your free progress on buying and selling. Oh, guys, thank you so much. We are gonna raid Shanksy because he's like an absolute freaking legend. But guys, thank you so much. This has been an absolute blast. I don't think I'm gonna stream tomorrow, but I might stream on Saturday, so that will be fun. If I do stream tomorrow, it'll be pretty late at night. So like, what time is it now? It'll be like 8 hours from what time it is now, if I do decide to stream tomorrow. So yeah, Big Boss, thank you so much for stopping by. Let's go show Shank some love. And yeah, guys, I honestly appreciate your support so much. Thank you for the lurks. It really helps out. We're gonna get this channel to affiliate. It's gonna be amazing. Thank you so much. Anyways, I will catch you guys next time. All the best. Cheers.